What's the meaning of authoritarian? Authoritarian. Authoritarian.
Authoritarian. Authoritarian. Authoritarian refers to a form of government or social structure that is characterized by strict obedience to authority, often at the expense of individual freedoms and civil liberties. In an authoritarian system, all decisions are made by a single leader or group of leaders, and dissent is not tolerated. The government has control over all aspects of society, including the media, education, and the economy. While authoritarian regimes may provide stability and security, they often result in oppressive conditions for individuals and limit opportunities for innovation and progress.